Alright, we got a bit cut off in our last video, so I had a visitor, but they're gone now, so we can continue. So we're going to draw this shape up here, then we're going to draw the skull, and then I might fast track all the other stuff, but I might just show you what parts we draw for an animation, just so that we can move them around our pieces and we can reuse it rather than having to draw a picture every time we want to animate something. So let's have a look at this shape here. I think we could get this and our skull done in that time. It's just using the same skills that we had before. We're going to use our path. We're going to click on this point here. I'm going to go to where it kind of, the shape accelerates a little bit. I'm going to keep going around because it's following that shape quite nicely. Here, it probably needs a little bit more, but we're going to have the same problem that we had on the other side of our hat, because this point's too long. When we get to the bottom, it kind of curves around a bit funny. So get to that point there. I'm going to just click and enter, because this is where it gets to a straight line. It's actually selected on that at the moment, so now we can drag this one up so it's not as bad at the end there. I can drag this a little bit across too. Yeah, that's better. Now I'm going to click on my path pen and click back on there, and right, so actually what's good is it's letting us just do a straight line this time. We don't have to change anything. So click there and we've got our shape like that. I'm going to turn the opacity down on it so we can see through it. I'm going to take that to 50 again, but I'm going to change my color so I can see that a little bit better. So we're going to make it like a red color, but we'll turn the opacity down again. Opacity 15. Okay, so we can see we've got that shape there and we've got our red shape here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the head on the skull. All right, so I'm going to go back to my pen here. I'm going to start here. This is going to be a straight line that goes across, straight line that goes across. This one here, it's curved to about there before it kind of takes off around there, and then we'll curve it around here, and we'll finish there. I'm going to push enter here, because that's where my straight line is. Now, if I go to this again and I draw a line from there to there, is it going to be a straight line? Yeah, it automatically sets me up with a straight line, which is great, I think. Enter. And so, like, I've finished my shape here. This is red. I'm going to make this another color, which would be white again. But we're going to, once it's white, we're going to change our opacity again to 50, just so we can kind of see through it. And later we can change the opacity back up again. This is just so we can see through the picture. All right, so you can see, I just want to have a closer look through here. Okay, so you can see that's not a curve there, so that's quite nice how it's created that shape. All right, this part here is very simple because all it is it's straight lines. So we don't need to use any curves. I'm just going to start here, go to there, go all the way down to there, up, down, there. So these are all single clicks. Up there, down there, up there, across there, up there, and up there. There we go. Again, I'll just turn the opacity. Oh, I don't need to turn the opacity down on that one because we don't see anything that we need to do in there. Now, this last part, we've got two circles here. So I'm just going to use the circle shape. Ellipse. Sometimes the ellipse can have problems, but this time it's working nicely. If you can't see your shape, sometimes what happens is for some reason the opacity turns down or something. So you just go back and you change the opacity to 100% and then you'll see your shape. All right, I'm going to draw a second one. It's going to be here. Boom, 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 boom. That's my second shape. And there we have my pirate hat done. Now I'm just going to go through it and I'm going to change the opacity of everything. So let's start with the eyes. So the last things that I drew, I want to make them black. That's going to be like a hole. So I'm going to change my fill. Fill is the middle part, and I'm going to make it black. Same with this one. Fill, make it black. My hat, what color do I want to make that? This one's okay because it's white. sorry, my skull. I want to make my skull white, don't I? So, all right. What I can do, there we go. If I can't click on it, here it keeps clicking to something else. What I can do is I can go through my paths until I find the thing. There we go. The path, which is that one. And I want to make that 100% because I don't need to see through it anymore. And there we go. That's my white color. My red. Do I want red or do I want gold? Do I want red or do I want gold? I don't know, to be honest. Will it look like gold if I put gold? No. Oh, we've got the wrong thing there. Anyway, the outside part could be gold. Here we go. I'm going to turn the opacity up so we can see it. And then this red part, I can't select it because it keeps going to that big part. So I'm going to do it through here. I think that's it. If I click on that one, that appears to be the red part. And that's red here, so it must be. So we're going to change that to 100 opacity. No, I want to make this yellow part black because that's more of a pirate color, isn't it? There we go. And that's my pirate hat. And you could edit that later. If you don't like the look of it, change colors, which I might do later. We'll see how it goes. But for now, that's my pirate hat. And that's kind of how we're going to go. Do I make one more thing? Do I do the sword maybe? Quick lesson on the sword. We'll see.